If you're just waking up with us, good Wednesday morning. Hope it's off to a great start. Let's check that forecast with meteorologist Alan Rose.
And Bree, so far it's off to a great start. Hopefully the same for our viewers at home. Now, Timothy said he was up early, snapped this photo, sent it to me on Twitter. This is out at Fort Carson just before sunrise. He said he was trying to beat the heat. He knew we were going to see those 90s come back, but he said even in the 60s it felt warm and it felt humid already outside. And that is going to be the case throughout the day. We'll see increasing clouds once we get into the afternoon. And the sunny skies we're seeing now will give way to scattered showers and thunderstorms across the region. Storms will be capable of locally heavy rain, small hail and gusty winds. That'll be followed up by a potent cold front that moves in this evening. Folks, behind the front, I'm going to call it a case of summertime weather whiplash. Not as extreme as what we experienced in the winter months, but tomorrow's highs could be down more than 20 to 25 degrees in some areas. Right now we're in the low 60s in Monument, the Springs, hovering near 70 for Canyon City and Pueblo, 51 at Woodland Park, and 55 the current temperature in Westcliff. Looking at the bigger picture, of course, Debbie's still off the coast of the Carolinas. Slow-moving storm expected to make another landfall as we make our way into this afternoon and evening out across the coast of North and South Carolina. And for us, this is the potent cold front we just talked about. Now, head of the front, we're going to be very hot today. So temperatures near record setting in the Springs, up around 94 degrees. The average high this time of the year is around 85. And with that moisture coming back into the picture this afternoon to evening, we'll see those numerous showers and storms for the mountain areas and some of those scattered showers and storms for I-25 and the eastern plains. Now, most of that rain will taper off after midnight tonight, leaving us with dry skies, but maybe a little bit of drizzle and mist out there with that upslope flow strengthening tomorrow morning. That'll be followed with the potential for stronger storms, more widespread, especially down south. And I think this model might be a little bit too far south with some of that heavier rain. I'd likely expect that we'll see that as well into parts of the Pikes Peak region. Highs today with that heat. The big story, 101 in Pueblo, 103 in Lamar, 94 in the Springs, and 91 in Monument. And today, I would say chasing records, but not likely to get there. The record seems a little out of reach at 97 degrees, but you see it right there. It's still going to be hot. And then there's that big change late this week. Low to mid 70s Thursday to Friday, rebounding to the 80s as we make our way into the weekend. For Pueblo, I've got triple digits today. Refreshing changes as maybe we can give the ACs and the swamp coolers a bit of a break, especially with the potential for heavy rain Thursday and Friday afternoon. For Canyon City, we go from scattered storms today to some heavier rain possible Thursday and Friday. And that's why you're seeing a 3 out of 5 on the impact scale. That means that some of those impacts could last most of the day, and some of those storms could trigger some urban flooding. For Woodland Park, we'll go from the 80s today to the 60s Thursday, rebounding to the 70s Friday, right on through the upcoming weekend.